Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your email on your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder. Here you're going to find create a new site. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. Here, if you go to the top right corner, you're going to find your profile icon. If you click on it, here, you're going to find it, and under it, you're going to find account settings. Go ahead and click on account settings. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Wix account. So here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections: account settings, domains, business email, vouchers, billing history, premium subscriptions, payment methods, Wix payments account, and lastly, API keys. So right now, if you want to change your email, make sure you're in the account settings section. And then right here, you're going to find your account info. So here, as you can see, guys, you can change your first name, your last name. Here, you're going to find site URL prefix. You can also change this. And lastly, here, you're going to find account language and also your image. You can remove or update your image. And here, address, you're going to find your login info. And under login info, as you can see, guys, you're going to find your current email address. If you want to change this, just click on this icon right here. Then you need to enter your Wix account password and then enter your new account email and confirm it. And after you confirm it, go ahead and click on next. Then they will send you a code on your current email address. Then you need to confirm the email. And after that, you're going to be able to update your email address. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.